Hi, within this math series, I'm going to do a bunch of these videos that are going to be aimed a little bit more towards elementary school. And the reason for that, it's a very personal reason. My grandkids are now going through elementary school and are asking me questions, and they live many states away. And so I'm going to do some videos for them as well. So these also might be helpful to you, even if you're in a higher level math. Sometimes, for example, in this case, looking at fractions and how to manipulate fractions is going to be helpful to you, even if you're not in elementary school. In this case, one of the questions that he asked me is he said they were given this fraction and they were told to reduce it. And he wasn't quite sure what that means. So all we need to do is look at the fraction. The numerator is the top number, denominator is the bottom number. The denominator tells us how many pieces we're breaking the whole object. We're just going to use a circle here just because it's easy to split up. So it's split up into 4 equal pieces. The numerator tells us how many pieces we're talking about out of the whole. So 2 out of the 4 are filled in. Now, if we're going to simplify this, all we're saying is if we were to, in this case, divide both top and bottom by 2, that gives us, that's equal to 1/2. And really it's the same thing, and we're looking at this same circle, and all we're doing is rather than splitting up into 4, we're just going to split it up into 2, and we'll notice that half of it is shaved, 1 out of 2. So, and you can do this by adding or subtracting lines as long as you keep all the parts equal. So for example, we couldn't just, if let's say we're back here, and let's say, well, we're just going to add a line here, so now we have 1, 2, 3 fifths. Well, the problem is these parts aren't equal, and so you can't do it that way. But if you were to go like this and make all of these parts equal, that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's our lower number. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is our top number. And you'll notice all we've done is we've multiplied top and bottom by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So if you ever want to manipulate fractions, you either have to divide both the top and bottom by the same number or multiply the top and bottom by the same number if you're going to come up with an equal fraction. So hopefully that's helpful to you. He's going to send me a bunch of the problems that he's working on right now. So we're going to do some fraction videos here over the next little bit.